This video is a few days camping at Fishlake Campground and visiting the Bighorn River Lookout and Crescent Falls, all in the Nordegg, Alberta area.
Fishlake Provincial Park, doing a little camping, gonna do some boating tomorrow. Weather's nice now, a little rainy earlier, but we'll see how it goes tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little rainy, but not too bad, so cooking the steaks now. Tenderloin and red wine and butter and sesame seed sauce, and we've got mushrooms and onions in the same thing minus the sesame seed. Tenderloin Burgundy. Let's have a look at it. To bring you in for a closer look, that's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna go eat this now.
At various times throughout the day, Phil went out in the kayak, and you can see here he's testing the sail in the windy conditions. And there's also moments where it would rain, and we had some quick showers, then it'd be sunny again, and there was even some pea-sized hail for about 10 minutes, and then sunny again.
A little bit of wind sailing in the morning. Around the corner, then I'll come back to you. Me filming you, filming me.
As you can see, the weather was quite variable, sunny to slightly windy and rainy, and this campground had a really neat network of trails around the lake, and by some of the campsites there's actually the campground road, and then just on the other side is the access to the water.
Steaming stump.
Now some experimental underwater photography. Phil has dropped the GoPro in. So the water is pretty clear and you can see lots of tree roots and stumps and things underneath, so it's kind of a neat perspective. And after this, we decided to go take a little drive a little further up the highway west, and that's where the Crescent Falls are and the Bighorn River Lookout.
Don't get too close. Yeah. After the falls, we decided to go back to the campsite and get a fire going and kind of settle in for the night. Look at this This is the stuff we bought from the store for 50 cents a pop. It's supposed to be fire started, last for 10 minutes. Seems not to be taking a spark. Oh, there it goes.
That looks like the dryer lint that we use.
But they put something in it, like a paraffin wax or
Yeah.
something. We were prepping our supper, and this little guy, he wasn't taking no for an answer. He got into our food right beside us while we were doing other tasks around the camp. What are you doing to our bread? He's right under you now. He's right between the boxes. He's on the rock.
And a little bit of the evening lake before sunset on our final night here at Fishlake Campground.
Thanks for watching, guys.